In the world of sales, success is built on strong relationships and consistent follow-ups. Managing your activities effectively for both contacts, whether it's a person or an organization, ensures every interaction counts, helping you stay organized and drive results. Activities are your roadmap for tracking tasks, calls, emails, and meetings. They not only help you maintain a clear record but also ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. In SalesTown, activities can be managed separately for persons and organizations, giving you maximum flexibility. Let's explore how you can efficiently add an activity for both persons and organizations. We'll start with the organization section. Adding an activity for an organization. Step 1. Navigate to the organization section. From the dashboard, go to the main menu and select Contacts. Then click on Organizations to access the Manage Organization page. Step 2. In the Organizations list, locate the organization you want to work with and click on it. This opens a detailed view of the selected organization, giving you access to its complete profile. Step 3. Add activity details. Next, click the Add Activity button. Fill out the form with all relevant details such as purpose, specify whether it's a call, email, meeting, or task. Title, add a brief but descriptive title for the activity. Date and time, set when the activity is scheduled. Description, provide additional context or details about the task. Use the lead field to associate the activity with a specific lead. Assign the activity to yourself or a team member using the Assign to drop-down. And if the task is already completed, simply check the Mark as Done option to log it as a finished activity. Once done, click Add Activity to save. The activity is now logged against the chosen lead and ready for tracking. Adding an activity for a person follows a similar process. Step 1. Navigate to the Person section. Start by navigating to the Person section from the dashboard by selecting Contacts, then clicking on Persons. Step 2. Select the person from the list of persons, find and select the individual you want to work with. This opens their detailed profile view. Step 3. Add activity details. Click the Add Activity button and fill in the same details. Purpose, title, date, time, description, and associated lead. Assign it to yourself or a team member and mark it as done if applicable. Finally, save the activity, and it's now logged in the person's profile for easy tracking. Tips for effective activity management. Here are some best practices to enhance your activity management. Set reminders. Use reminders to ensure no critical task is overlooked. Categorize activities. Use specific activity types to organize tasks and interactions for better tracking. Update regularly. Keep activity records up to date to reflect current progress and status. With streamlined activity management in SalesTown, you can focus on what matters most, building relationships and closing deals. If you want to learn how to add an activity directly against a lead, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy selling!